Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to delete your Oracle Cloud account very easily. So let's get started. Now, the first thing that you have to do is to obviously connect into your Oracle Cloud account and then go to your profile section in the top right corner. So here, if you hover your mouse around here, you'll find yourself with this tab open, which contains the tenancy part. So of course, I have blurred some of the informations here for privacy reasons, but it's not very important. It's just the process that matters. So click on tenancy, and then here you will find yourself on this page. So here you will have a big red button which says request tenancy deletion. So click on it once with your mouse, and then here in the request tenancy deletion, you will have to enter the tenancy name to confirm the deletion, and then request a tenancy deletion. Now, first it will be accepted, eventually accepted, so you'll find it in the state right here. So it will be in green, accepted, and the percentage of completion. After that, it will eventually go in progress, and it will be orange like that, with the percentage of completion just going up. And that's it. After that, it will be succeeded, 100% complete, and your Oracle Cloud account will be deleted. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this tutorial helped you.